Assalamu alaikum. Improve your listening skill. You are going to listen a passage and answer the questions. Leonardo da Vinci was born in 1452 and died in 1519. He was an Italian. His surname was da Vinci, means of Vinci, of the Italian town where he was born. He lived during an extraordinary period when many important developments in art and science happened. Leonardo is perhaps best known as a painter, one of his most famous paintings being the Mona Lisa. He wasn't just a brilliant artist, but was also an inventor, scientist, mathematician, engineer, poet, musician, and much more. Now it's time to answer the questions. When was Leonardo da Vinci born? What was his nationality? Which is Vinci's famous painting? What are his other qualities?